Hey Matt, Scott Walker here with Impact Lane SEO. Nice to meet you. Wanted to make this video showing you how I've helped other auto glass companies improve their online presence and steal leads from SafeLight and other local competition. So, usually I just start with your website. I go about your Google Business Profile and a few things. I might make yours just a tad bit longer than normal just because I wanted to show you a few things. So, for starters, I always recommend having more content on your website. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 words on your homepage, or 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And what those are for me is like a service, auto glass, installation, Salt Lake City, windshield replacement, Salt Lake City, those types of things. I did just want to show you that here it shows on your website that you're in San Francisco. That's why, and I don't know who Jace is. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that. The other thing you could do is if you save your imagery correctly on your images, instead of it saying this mumbo jumbo, you could say, a buyer intent keyword there, like windshield replacement Salt Lake. I'm going to go over kind of the analytics. I'll do it. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up. You're currently at 94 due to Wix has high strength, but your page itself has zero trust. You have zero keywords being indexed, and nobody's coming to your website based off of search traffic. These are based off of the referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. What a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and also location. The reason I was showing you this also is I just don't see the website even being shown up for your name. So that's the reason there. I just searched you. I did find here, and that links to this website. But if I did just do a quick search for windshield replacement Salt Lake City, right up top are going to be your Google Ads. This is where I've helped a lot of different auto glass companies increase their revenue really quickly. To get a good click-through rate for your ads, you want to make sure to have as many parts of that keyword as possible inside of the campaign, so that you, inside of the ad itself, so that you have good click-through rates. Like this says auto glass and windshield repair. It would much better have windshield replacement and then like Salt Lake City. Windshield replacement, Salt Lake area, so that's a pretty good one. This one doesn't say any of them, which is fine. And this one doesn't. Yeah. So like out of all of these, I would probably click on this one because it actually says everything that I say. Once you have a good click-through rate, or the other thing you could do to have a good click-through rate is to make sure that your ad groups are separated by theme. So like windshield replacement and windshield repair are both separate, and then auto glass replacement and auto glass repair are different, and even windshield replacement and auto glass replacement are different. The next thing you want to work on is your conversion rate. So on your landing page, you want your click to call right here, form submit, what you do, where you do it, and then also any promotions that you might be running. And then the background imagery should be relevant to your search. So like for windshield replacement, have the windshield being repaired or replaced. And if you do any specialty stuff like fleets or RV windshield replacements, have an RV being worked on in the background type of thing. So that's Google Ads. Then it moves down into the what I call Google Business Profiles or Google Map Pack, depending on what you do. You're not currently here, which is fine. But there are lots of ways to get here. The first being making sure to make your name, address, and phone number the exact same all across the internet. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot to show you the keywords. So I just did Davis and Salt Lake County because that looks about what you service right now. And for windshield replacement without a location attached, there's 3,600 searches monthly for that search. Another 1,000, another 4,000. So we're looking at almost 10,000 searches just between 5-6 keywords here, and if you get in front of those those searches, more people are going to be clicking on your ads and then going to your website. Sorry, now I'm going back to here. Name, address, and phone number exact same all across the internet. Getting reviews. I have a cool little QR code cheat that I make for all my clients, and even if you really didn't want it, it's not a cheat, but it's a trick, and it helps you get good reviews. Then putting your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you, and not just in your local area down in Mill Creek, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Ads and Google Business Profile, about 70% of traffic stops right here. And then I go into the organics. I never look at Safe Light just because I don't like looking at them. So it looks like Two Bros Auto Glass is one of your top competitors for this particular keyword. So when you start to have more content, better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, you could start to outrank these guys. These are kind of some of the keywords that I always recommend trying to go after. Windshield replacement in Salt Lake City, windshield replacement in Utah. Wouldn't really do that unless you're all over. But like as you can see, the ones with a location attached and high volumes, those are the ones that I would like to get you for. And I just looked up Salt Lake by itself. So when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total search volumes right here, like windshield replacement Salt Lake City has 600 searches each month. So when you outrank them, a percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of your competition. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Matt, I hope that this video is beneficial for you. I do look forward to talking to you more, and the next step would be a discovery call to see if we'd be a good fit to work together. So I hope you have a good one, and we'll talk soon.